Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, the place where we dive deep into smart money habits and strategic investing so you can achieve financial freedom. If you've ever wondered how the wealthy seem to build unstoppable momentum while others stay stuck living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore a timeless but often overlooked wealth-building principle, income diversification. More specifically, 3 income streams everyone should have. Why 3? Because relying on a single source of income is like trying to balance on a one-legged stool. One job loss, one injury, or one downturn in the market, and everything crumbles. But with multiple income streams, you build stability, resilience, and momentum. Let's break it all down, step by step, with actionable strategies, real-life examples, and powerful transitions that will show you exactly how to start building your own 3-legged foundation for wealth. Part 1. Active income, your main source of cash. Let's start with the most familiar type of income, active income. This is the money you earn by trading your time for money, your salary, wages, or self-employment income. For most people, this is the first stream they build. It's how you survive. But if done right, it can also become your launch pad for wealth. Take Michael, a teacher who earns $55,000 a year. At first glance, that's modest, but Michael tracks every expense, lives below his means, and funnels the difference into high-return investments and side ventures. Within 6 years, his active income funded 2 other income streams. He didn't wait for a raise. He built his own action steps. Increase your active income by improving your skills or switching industries. Negotiate your salary every 12-24 months. Look for ways to monetize your expertise, freelancing, coaching, online teaching. Why this matters. Your active income is your tool, not your goal. The goal is to convert a portion of your active income into wealth-generating vehicles. It's the starter flame that lights everything else. Part 2. Passive income, the income that works while you sleep. If active income keeps the lights on, passive income builds the house. Passive income is money that continues to flow after the initial effort has been invested. Think dividends, royalties, rental income, and automated online businesses. It doesn't mean no work. It means front-loaded work that pays repeatedly. Let's look at Jenny. She spent 6 months creating a digital course teaching single moms how to meal prep on a budget. The first month, it earned $89. The second month, $214. By year 2, she was making over $3,000 a month with no additional marketing. It didn't start big, but the foundation she laid paid off. Common passive income sources, dividend-paying stocks, and ETFs, rental properties, digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, royalties from books or music, YouTube channels, or blogs with ad revenue. Steps to get started. Invest in assets that generate recurring income. Start small. ETFs, REITs. Build a system. Digital course, evergreen funnel, YouTube content. Automate where possible. Email marketing, affiliate links, subscription models. Why this stream matters. Passive income buys back your time. You stop trading hours for dollars and start building a machine that runs 24/7, even while you sleep or vacation. Part 3. Portfolio income. Wealth that grows itself. Now the third leg of the income stool, portfolio income. This is the income you earn from investments, capital gains, interest, appreciation. It's what happens when your money makes money. This stream may not provide immediate cash flow like a paycheck or dividend, but it builds wealth in the background. Meet Carlos. He's a software engineer who invests $1,500 a month into index funds. He doesn't pick stocks. He doesn't day trade. He just buys the S&P 500 every month. Over 10 years, his portfolio grew to $300,000. Then the magic happened. Compound interest took over. Today, it's earning over $24,000 a year, without him lifting a finger. Types of portfolio income: capital gains from selling investments, interest income from bonds or high-yield savings, growth in ETFs or mutual funds, appreciation in real estate equity. How to build this stream: open a Roth IRA or brokerage account. Automate monthly contributions, even $100/month compounds over time. Focus on long-term strategies like index investing or dollar-cost averaging. Why portfolio income is key. This stream is your ticket to long-term financial independence. While passive income supports lifestyle freedom, portfolio income builds legacy wealth. Powerful transition, combining the three streams. Here's where the magic happens, when all three streams, active, passive, and portfolio, start flowing together. Imagine this scenario. You work your 9-5 and invest 25% of your income. After 2 years, you launch a digital course that earns $500/month. You reinvest those profits into your portfolio, which now grows exponentially. Suddenly, your time is no longer tied to your survival. You have options. You can cut back hours, take a sabbatical, launch a side business, or relocate. When your active income funds your passive ventures and your passive income fuels your portfolio, you've built a self-sustaining flywheel. Real-life example. Layla's three-stream blueprint. Layla is a nurse earning $80,000 a year. She started by maxing out her Roth IRA and putting $400/month in a brokerage account. She also had a passion for writing. She self-published a $12 ebook about navigating hospital politics. It took off. In year 1, she earned $6,000. By year 3, she launched a second book and an affiliate blog. Today, her active income is still her nursing salary. Her passive income is book royalties and affiliate links. Her portfolio income is dividends and growth from her investments. Layla now works part-time, has a 6-figure investment portfolio, and makes $500/month in passive income, all because she diversified early. How to build all three streams step by step. Step 1. Maximize active income, evaluate your industry's salary. Band. Learn high-value, rare skills, project management, UX design, cloud certifications. Start consulting or freelancing on the side. Step 2. Create a simple passive income stream. Identify what you know that solves a problem. Turn that into a product or service. Use marketplaces: Gumroad, Etsy, Amazon, Udemy. Step 3. Start investing immediately. Set up auto investments, Roth IRA, 401k, taxable accounts. Choose low-fee index funds or ETFs. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Consistency matters more than timing. Step 4. Reinvest income, reinvest dividends, royalties, and profits into growth assets. Compound every stream until they feed each other. The mindset shift, from surviving to thriving. Most people are taught to just survive, get a job, pay bills, hope for a raise. But true financial freedom requires a shift in mindset. Think like a builder. Every dollar should have a job. Every skill should open a door. Every stream should support another. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built intentionally. Final thoughts. 3 income streams may sound ambitious, but it's more achievable than you think. You don't need to launch a startup or become a real estate mogul. You just need to take small, smart steps every month. Earn actively with purpose, build passively with intention, invest consistently with vision. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about creating freedom that lasts. When your income no longer depends on one source, your stress fades, your options multiply, and your confidence soars. This is the roadmap to financial independence. This is how you break the cycle. And this is exactly what we believe in here at Smart Dollar Mindset. If this helped you or opened your eyes to what's possible, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Because the journey to wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, peace, and purpose.